Hello everyone, my name is Raymond Armijo, and today I will be talking about Manfred Laubichler. So a little background on him. Obviously he's a professor at ASU in the School of Life Sciences, but he's also the President's Professor of Theoretical Biology, which is a very good title, meaning that he's obviously well versed in theoretical biology. He also likes to focus on history of biology, so looking back at the old days of early biology, which would be like Charles Darwin, and all the way up to the present day biology. And a little more background, he's also the director of the Global Biosocial Complexity Initiative, which is an organization that likes to inspire places all around to collaborate and share data just to improve themselves and just everything around them. It's a good initiative. Some of his research interests include theoretical biology, which makes sense because he's the president of that department. He also likes to focus on evolutionary developmental biology, the history of biology, philosophy of biology, and intellectual history. Obviously, he doesn't focus on a lot of basic things in biology. He likes to focus on more of the why we do it, and like how we got there, why we do it. So the article I'm going to be focusing on, it was called The Embryo Project, an integrated approach to history, practices, and social context of embryo research. So it was written by Jane Machine and Manfred D. Laubichler. So it was published in the Journal of the History of Biology, issue number 43 on pages 1 through 16. And this article, you're going to find out, is very up his wheelhouse. Like, it's very good for him. So on the introduction, the article wanted to explore how the Embryo Project, which is a project that wants to, again, focus on collaboration among all these worlds, right? It was about getting all these digital information about these embryos and just being able to upload them into one server where they're available for everyone. And so the article questions if the project is efficient and how is it going in its endeavor to work. So they want to question, like, is this project really working? And if it is, how efficiently? And if not, how can it be made efficiently working? So some of the methods they used. So in the article, the methods weren't clearly called the methods. They're called how, defined projects, and how, the Embryo Project Encyclopedia Database sections of the article. So on the left side of the slide is a figure from the study that shows just a little bit of how the embryo project works. So all these are these little parts of the little sub-subjects of the embryo studies, like everything you could study, and how they're all interconnected. So the embryo project wants to encompass all of this in the circle and just make it available to everybody so it can connect all these different studies about the embryos in one place. And so they want to just also make sure that everything that belongs in there belongs in there. The results from their study, so they actually found that the Embryo Project was a successful endeavor, like in their goal to make sure that everybody was collaborating and the research was quality. So they wanted to they also found that making it research also gave them good access to articles that everybody could be looking for, but also helps them build more relationships on what they could be studying next, or like how that study can be improved in one way or another. Okay, so time for discussion. So the discussion portion of the article gives the why anyone should participate in the Embryo Project. Well, they say that you should participate because this is just the beginning. So if they're able to collaborate this big in just the Embryo Project, imagine what they could do in the future for all aspects of science, all aspects of mathematics, and just all aspects of life. So overall, they really just related it back to more collaboration, which is right up his wheelhouse, seeing that he's part of that initiative just for collaboration. Well, that's all I got. Thank you and have a good day.